Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again. Today we're going to be going over the top 5 mattresses for 2024. So let's get into it. And at number 5, this is Casper. This is actually the Casper Snow. So just to give you a little history, in 2014, Casper kind of started doing bed in the box. So the box next to me, they first started kind of rolling, boxing, and compacting those beds, trying to do direct to consumer. So you could buy them straight from the website and you could send it straight to your house. So pretty cool. But this is the Casper Snow. The technology behind this, it's memory foam on the top, a nice cool cover on the top, then the memory foam, and then you have what they call phase change material. And what these are, they're 3 heat delete bands. They're aluminum graphite. One's in the center, one's in the top, and one's kind of in the middle. And what that does is it disperses the heat throughout the night. 12 hours of heat, kind of excess heat, just kind of goes out of the mattress. So that's why they call it the Snow. It's got the phase change memory foam as well. Really nice bed for good bang for your buck if you're looking for that. And it is also a hybrid. So underneath that memory foam, you're going to have your individually pocketed coils underneath that mattress. It's a really cool mattress. Bed in the box. It comes like in a box just like you see next to me. And yeah, pretty sweet deal, guys. At number 4, guys, this is the Purple Restore Plus. Purple, for you guys that don't know, was created in the 1990s by the Pierce brothers. They actually started making wheelchairs with this grid technology, and also Stryker Medical. They kind of sold some of this material to Stryker Medical for burn patients. Really different technology. You can kind of see how it kind of gives you some support, gives you your hips and your shoulders kind of a mock-up here. But if I push down, you notice you get some nice indentation where you have those pressure points, but yet you have the support. Your spine is nice and supported right in the middle there. So in this mattress, it's actually 3 inches of that grid technology. Underneath that, you're going to have your memory foam, and underneath that, you have your individually pocketed coils. So really cool technology. These actually come rolled, just like we saw in that Casper. It comes rolled in a bag, actually, and you can take these with you today. Really cool technology. Purple's really innovative. Love their stuff, and also American made. Love that. At number 3, guys, this is the Stearns & Foster. This is the Luxe Estate Medium. This mattress is pretty cool. I'm a big fan of Stearns & Foster. They actually started in 1846 in Cincinnati, Ohio. They actually started with horse carriages, making kind of luxury textile upholstery type material, and eventually they started making mattresses. That's kind of why you see the Flower de Luce. I think I'm saying that right, but that emblem kind of symbolizes their heritage in horse carriages. So pretty cool. We consider this a premium inner spring mattress. So if we dive into exactly what's in the mattress, at first you have your quilted layer up top here, really soft cashmere on the top. Underneath that you have your memory foam, and as you get down lower, you're going to have your premium inner spring. This is the Stearns & Foster version of the pocketed coil, but you can see here as I push one coil, now these are obviously stitched together a little bit, so you have a little bend, but each pocketed coil can flex or bend individually, not separate, not all together like some of the older style mattresses. So pocketed coil mattresses are definitely a game changer in your sleep. Also has your center core support. So obviously the center of your mass of your body is where most of your mass is, and having that core support layer in the middle definitely helps. Really cool bed. Love the Stearns & Foster for premium inner spring mattresses. And at number 2, this is the Beautyrest Black Series 3 mattress. And we just introduced our Beautyrest Black series this year, but this is an awesome line. Again, this is a premium inner spring mattress. A little history on Beautyrest. In 1925, they actually were the first mattress manufacturer to mass produce beds. So before that, they didn't really have a mass-produced mattress, and Beautyrest or Simmons was able to figure that out. So really cool technology and history behind these beds. Again, this is a premium inner spring mattress. Now, since then, they've obviously innovated, but these are actually triple-stranded pocketed coils, patented technology. So if you think of like the Golden Gate Bridge, all those suspended cords are actually triple-stranded cords. So they actually use similar technology into these beds. Obviously, the coils aren't quite as big as the Golden Gate Bridge, but same technology. You have your triple-stranded coil beds inside this, and you also have your memory foam on the top. Awesome feel, really cool mattress so far. best-selling bed that we have in the Beautyrest line series. And at number 1, guys, this is the Tempur-Pedic Luxe Adapt Medium Hybrid. Really excited about this mattress. It just launched this year. A couple of things that are really cool about Tempur-Pedic. First off, in the 1960s, they kind of developed some memory foam with NASA. NASA was looking for something that distributes your body weight and heat evenly. They were looking for that for spacecrafts. So they partnered with Tempur at the time to kind of develop some seats and memory foam for that. Getting into the mattress, this is a Luxe Adapt Medium Hybrid. Has the most memory foam in all of Tempur's line. They have the Adapt, the Pro Adapt, and the Luxe Adapt. And this year they just introduced the Luxe Adapt Hybrid. They didn't have a hybrid model in that Luxe Adapt. So you have the most memory foam with inner springs, individually pocketed, wrapped springs in that mattress. And as you lay in that, it just really turns into, you kind of like melt into this mattress like butter. It's a really sweet bed. And so far, this is our number 1 selling Tempur-Pedic mattress this year. Thanks for watching, guys. And again, to recap all the mattresses, my top 5. At number 5, we had the Casper Snow. At number 4, we had the Purple Restore Plus. And at number 3, we had the Stearns & Foster Luxe Estate Medium. At number 2, we have the Beautyrest Black Series 3. And at number 1, we have the Luxe Adapt Medium Hybrid Tempur-Pedic. Awesome beds. We've sold them all year long, and they're great. All of them, really. You can't go wrong with any of those 5 beds. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next week. Please like and subscribe.